Once upon a time in a small town, there was a high school named Oak Ridge High. It was the beginning of the school year, and the hallways buzzed with excitement and chatter. Among the new faces was a boy named Max, a quiet and thoughtful senior who preferred the company of books over people. He was often seen in the school library, lost in a world of his own. One day, as Max was immersed in a novel, a girl named Emily walked into the library. She was new to the school, and everything felt overwhelming. Searching for a quiet place to escape, she noticed Max sitting alone and decided to sit at a nearby table. Over the next few days, Emily and Max found themselves in the library at the same time. Emily would occasionally glance over at Max, intrigued by his calm demeanor and curious about the stories that seemed to captivate him so much. One afternoon, gathering her courage, she approached him. "Hi, I'm Emily. Do you mind if I sit here?" Max looked up, surprised but welcoming. "Sure, I'm Max. Nice to meet you." As days turned into weeks, a quiet friendship blossomed between them. They shared their favorite books, discussed characters and plots, and even exchanged notes on the margins of their novels. Max discovered that Emily had a passion for poetry, and she introduced him to her favorite poets, opening a new world of literature to him. One crisp autumn afternoon, while they were reading in their favorite corner of the library, Emily shyly handed Max a folded piece of paper. It was a poem she had written about finding solace in unexpected places. Max read it, feeling a warmth spread through his chest. He looked up at Emily and saw her eyes reflecting the same feelings he had been too shy to express. "Emily, this is beautiful," he said softly. "You have a real gift." Emily smiled, her cheeks flushing. "I wanted to share it with you because you've made this place feel like home for me." From that moment on, their bond grew stronger. They began spending time together outside the library, exploring the town, and supporting each other through the ups and downs of school life. Max helped Emily navigate her new surroundings, and Emily brought out a side of Max that he had kept hidden for so long. As the school year drew to a close, Max and Emily knew their paths would soon diverge, but their hearts were filled with gratitude for the time they had shared. On their last day at Oak Ridge High, they sat under the old oak tree in the courtyard, reading one last poem together. "Even if we're apart," Max said, "we'll always have our stories." Emily nodded, tears in her eyes but a smile on her lips. "And our poetry," she added. With that, they parted ways, carrying with them the memories of a love that had quietly blossomed in the most unexpected of places. And though life took them in different directions, the bond they shared through their love of stories and each other remained a cherished chapter in both their lives. Thank you for watching.